Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to unsend, replace, or recall an email in Outlook 365 desktop app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook application on your computer and log into your account. Once you're logged in, wait for all your emails to load completely. This ensures that everything is synced and ready for you to work with, so give it a moment if you have a lot of emails coming through. Once your inbox is fully loaded, you'll need to navigate to the left pane where all your email folders are displayed. This is the navigation area that shows your inbox, sent items, drafts, and other folders. From here, click on the Sent Items folder. This is where all the emails you've already sent are stored, and it's the place you need to go to find the email you want to recall or replace. Now scroll through your sent items and locate the specific email you want to unsend, replace, or recall. Once you've found it, double-click on that email to open it in a new window. Opening the email this way is important because it gives you access to all the message tools and options you'll need for the recall process. Without opening it, you won't be able to see the necessary options. With the email now open, take a look at the top of the window where you'll see several tabs. Make sure you're on the Message tab, which is usually selected by default when you open a sent email. Under this tab, look for the Actions button and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu with additional options for handling your email. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Recall this message. This is the option that allows you to either unsend or replace the email you've sent. When you click on it, a new window titled Recall this message will pop up on your screen. This window gives you two main options for how you want to handle the recall. The first option is delete unread copies of this message. This essentially unsends the email by removing it from the recipient's inbox, but only if they haven't opened or read it yet. If the recipient has already opened the email, the recall won't work. The second option is delete unread copies and replace with a new message. This option not only removes the original email, but also lets you send a corrected or updated version in its place. It's useful if you made a mistake and want to send the right information immediately. Keep in mind that both of these options will only work if the recipient hasn't read the email yet. Once an email has been opened, Outlook can't recall or replace it, so timing is really important here. If you're trying to recall an email, it's best to do it as quickly as possible after sending. Once you've selected the option that fits your needs, click OK to proceed. Outlook will then attempt to recall or replace the email based on your choice. You'll receive a notification later letting you know whether the recall was successful or not, depending on whether the recipient had already opened the message. And that's it, you've successfully recalled or replaced an email in Outlook 365 desktop app. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.